Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 21st. The Zen story for today is titled The Door That Asked First. The path was wide and easy for once. Soft dust beneath their feet, the smell of jasmine drifting in the air. The monkey was humming something off-key. The monk was not correcting it. Then they saw it, a door. No house or walls. Just a freestanding door in the middle of the trail, rooted somehow into the ground, frame and all. It was painted a faded green. The handle gleamed like it had been polished recently. There were no hinges visible. Someone lost their metaphor, the monkey muttered. They approached. And just before the monkey could reach for the handle, a voice from the door, low, even, unmistakably clear. Why do you knock? The monkey yelped and jumped back. The monk stepped behind the tree. They circled it, tapped the back. Nothing. No puppeteer, no gears, no footprints but their own. Did you hear that? The monkey whispered. The monk nodded. Is it haunted? I don't know. The door remained still, silent. Then the monkey cleared its throat and tried in its most regal voice. I knock because I seek wisdom. Nothing. I knock because I'm humble. Nothing. I knock because you're blocking the way. The door creaked, groaned, and opened. Just a sliver. The monk stepped forward. The gap didn't widen. I think it only opens for one, the monk said. The monkey frowned. Unfair. The monk stood still, then stepped back. The door closed gently. The monkey grinned. See, patience is a virtue. The monk walked around the door, stepping off the path and back onto it. The monkey blinked. You can do that? The monk did not answer. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What if the obstacle isn't there to test your worth, but to remind you of the path you didn't see beside it? What if the obstacle isn't there to test your worth, but to remind you of the path you didn't see beside it? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What if the obstacle isn't there to test your worth, but to remind you of the path you didn't see beside it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.